That bike's sitting there all bloody happy with itself. He put me through some shit today. G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider, just out on a quick ride early on a Saturday morning, trying to beat the heat. It's going to be a hot weekend. So I'm just out doing a bit more exploring around my local area. I'm making my way to Tavistock Hill. I want to have a better look there. See what tracks I can find along the way. Go up this one. So we got a log up there. Yeah, we'll go through here, see what's going on. Too busy sticky baking at everything. Wow. Righto, I'm gonna watch the tree and I've got to go into that rut there. That mud is very, very soft. I'm going to get out of that. I meant to stay up here. And yeah, I slipped back down and went into the mud. That's slippery as shit. I'll try and drag it over. I'm out. I reckon that's the most bogged I've ever been. And look at that tiny little puddle. Normally I wouldn't even think about it, I'd just ride through it. I tried to go up on the side there and the tree sort of pushed me and I went in. I wasn't that concerned because it was only a small puddle. It just sunk in that mud. What stuffed me up when I got the front wheel out and I couldn't quite get that back wheel. It kept rocking back. The side stand had dug in. So every time I lifted that back end, the side stand was folding. So I was trying to bloody push it against the side stand. So I had to dig all that out. I think I don't know, my stand was around there somewhere. Yeah, another thing that made it hard, I couldn't walk on that side of the bike. If I could get over there and try and lever it, it might have been a bit easier. But like I just about got my boots stuck in there. Boots are friggin' covered in mud. Yeah, I had trouble getting my boot out of it. Anyway, that took, oh shit, that nail. Ow. Yeah, that took over an hour to get out of that. Now, this was bogged in down to the swing arm. That mud's gonna fly off that when I start moving. Look at all the freaking quartz in me tyre. Bloody hell. Righto, let's get moving, get a bit of airflow and cool down a bit. See if I can get back on track again. Clutch is definitely slipping. Yep. Tell you what, I will just check the oil here. Oh, and that looks fun too, doesn't it? Get over here in the shade. Yeah, we'll have a bit of a look, see what's going on. I didn't actually check the oil after my big trip, and maybe I'll burn up some then. It might be just low on oil. Really should have checked that. Give it a couple of minutes to settle. It looks like I've got plenty of oil. I think. That's sitting pretty... That's sitting up right there. It's down a little, but nothing to worry about. Maybe I've had that clutch cable too tight and worn it out. So that clutch isn't feeling too bad now. Now before, if I accelerated, it just revved, it didn't go. So that seems alright. Oh, I don't know why I'm scrubbing the front so easy. Far out. It just keeps going. Oh, that's what I'm scrubbing, fucking hell. Bloody hell. Alright, get out the tools. Me radiator. No wonder I'm scrubbing the freaking thing. Dear, oh dear. Wow. It goes a long way down. Oh no, I had to break out the tools. Ooh. Well, that took longer than it should. The bolt didn't want to screw in. I think it's the thread's a bit stripped. That bolt's just a little bit short because of this radiator guard. It bolts through that. So I found a longer bolt, which was too long. Anyway, it's back on. Yeah, that should have been just a matter of bolting the bloody thing back on. On to Tavistock Hill. Far out. Amazing how much trouble you can get so close to home. I could walk home from here. Yeah, so this is Tavistock Hill here. That's where I went, I think. Yep, this is it. This is it. Righto. Now, I think I went up there. I think. I know I went left anyway. We'll go down and see what we can find this way. A bit of water. Okay, maybe there's not that much to see. That's a big hill there. Yeah, that's where I went up there. I was hoping those trucks went further. So I went up into that hill. Yeah, this is definitely where I went last time. Let's just have a look in there, hey? See what we can find. If you have a look, that waterfall, I'm guessing it's just there when there's a lot of rain, but yeah, it's not there now. Yeah, look at that. Is that going to be, that might be just there. Yeah, that's just a pit. Yeah, let's have a little walk around and see what we can find. See, what would be a good place for snakes to hang out. Oh wow. Gonna attempt to get a photo. I don't think I could do it, but it would be cool to go into something like that and have a look. Take a light in there with you, obviously. Take a torch. That bike's sitting there all bloody happy with itself. He put me through some shit today. It wasn't the bike's fault. It was the riders. A mushroom. What is amazing is the bike's still freaking going. Clutch was playing up for a bit, radiator was falling off. Other than that, hurry up. Levering off that freaking wheel. Did I break that? I bent that. There's a metal plate in there. It snapped before, that was real wobbly. Right, I'm going to finish it up here. I'll keep it filming while I get out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bike is absolutely covered in shit. I'm going to Ballarat bike night tonight, so she might need a bath when I get home. Look at the bloody thing. Clear the tail light off at least. That's been pushed in. Watch this log doesn't push me out. Oh, very good, very good. Lovely.